Welcome to the first YouTube video for 5M. The subject we're covering today is factor rainbows. Right? We've been working on these in class, and we use the strategy of a factor rainbow to find all the factors of a certain number. This is going to lead us into a discussion about prime and composite numbers in the future. But for right now, factor rainbows, this is how we do it. Let's take a number like 12. To find all the factors of 12, we first start with the simplest factor pair, and that is 1 and 12. And we do a little rainbow mark over the top. Now we have the numbers established, 1 and 12, that's our range. We're going to try to squeeze this together to find more factors. So let's go on to number 2. If we know the divisibility rule for 2, 2 goes into all even numbers. So 12 is an even number, that means 2 has to go into 12. It's divisible. Well, 2 times what is 12? Well, it's obviously 6. Right? So, another factor rainbow over the top. We're squeezing this together. Think about 3. The divisibility rule for 3 is you add up the digits and you see. 1 plus 2 in 12 equals 3. Does 3 go into 3 evenly? The answer is yes. So 3 goes into 12. So 3 has to be on this list. 3 times what is 12? Knowing your math facts, it's 4. Okay, successfully squeeze this together. There's no whole number that fits between 3 and 4. There are an infinite number of non-whole numbers that go in there. 3.5, 3 and 7/8, but whole numbers, nothing. So we've completed the factor rainbow for 12, and we have our list of factors that go into 12. And altogether there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now take another number like 13, one whole number up from 12. It's going to look a little bit differently. We can start with the first step, which is taking 1 and 13, multiplying them together, and having our factor rainbow. But 13 is not divisible by 2, it's not divisible by 3, it's not divisible by any other number besides 1 in itself, because 13 is a prime number. Therefore, this factor rainbow only has 2 factors in it. When you find a factor rainbow like this, with only the number we're looking for and 1, it's a prime number. A factor rainbow like 12, with multiple factors, is a composite number. So we'll give you a couple to practice with. Why don't we try the number 24? Alright, you can practice this at home right now. Pause the video. Alright, see if you can figure out the successful factor rainbow with it. I'm going to do the answer now, though. We have 1 and 24. A rainbow over the top. 24 is divisible by 2 because it's an even number. So 2 times 12 is 24. Again, knowing your math facts is important. Let's see if it's divisible by 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 goes into 6 successfully. Therefore, it's divisible by 3. 3 times 8 is 24. We're squeezing this together. Does 4 go into 24? Well, again, if you know your math facts, you know the answer. 4 times 6 is 24. Only whole number that's left is 5. I know 5 does not go into 24 because 5 only goes into numbers that end in 0 or 5. So this is the end for 24, and here are all our factors. Because there's more than 2 factors, 24 and 1, this is a composite number. Let's try one more. How about the number 100? Pause the video, take a practice. Answer this one again. 1 and 100 is what we start with. Big loop. Give yourself enough space too while you're doing this. Next number is 2. I know that 2 times 50 is 100. Think about it in terms of money. 2 50-cent pieces equal $1. 3, does 3 go into 100? Well, 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 does not go into 1 evenly. Not going to work. 4. Again, think about it in terms of money. I know that 4 quarters, 4 times 25, is $1. So that's going to work. I know that 5 goes into numbers that end in 0 or 5. So 5 is going to be on this list as well. Well, 5 times 1 is 100. Well, 5 times 20. So we're kind of closing it in. 6 is not going to work. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. But 10 times itself is 100. 10 tens is 100. 10 dimes equals 100. So what we do with that in the factor rainbow is we put the 10 and the line over the top of that, and now we have all of our factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At home, see if you can get the 5 two-digit numbers that have 12 factors to them. All right, that's kind of a challenge for you. And that's the lesson on factor rainbows. Thank you to the cameraman, Derek, for filming.